Get into the 2019 Dodge Challenger. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Challenger delivers menacing power, controlled handling, advanced cockpit technology, fine craftsmanship, interior comfort, and engineering that prioritizes safety and efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Take your lust for power to the next level. Drive the Challenger.